Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Breathinex Inex-Air review. So you might be wondering, what is this Inex-Air that you may be hearing online? So the Inex-Air here is a handheld respiratory muscle trainer combined with a built-in digital spirometer. Now it works using resistance breathing. Now you breathe in and out through adjustable resistance available here and similar in concept to strength training. Now aimed at building the diaphragm and intercostal muscles that control breathing. Now, the built-in spirometer here measures air volume in millimeters or ml here after each breath, letting a user track lung capacity number over time, and it has a dual-sided design for training inhalation and exhalation independently. Now, with adjustable resistance level listed as around 3 or 6 depending on the specific version, and comes with interchangeable BPA-free mouthpiece lips. Now, the housing is aluminum alloy, and the device is described as requiring no batteries or motors for the core resistance training. Now, with the digital display charged separately via USB-C, and the site states it's FDA registered and explicitly says it's not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure or prevent any disease. Now, positioned instead of general wellness, breathing training, and respiratory fitness. Now, how do you exactly use this? Well, in this case, test the included interchangeable tips here, commonly labeled as A, B, or C, to find a comfortable resistance level. Now, then attach the chosen tip, aligning any directional arrows. Breathe in and out through the device for 5 to 10 minutes daily, either as one session or split into separate inhale and exhale sessions. Now, the site's own timeline states users may notice easier breathing within 3 weeks, measurable lung capacity changes within 4 to 6 weeks, and more significant changes around 300 to 500 ml over 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use. Now, it's intended for ages 12 and up with adult supervision for younger users, and the site advises consulting a doctor first for anyone with severe respiratory conditions, recent surgery, or cardiovascular issues. Now, the pricing for this one is listed as of this moment at around $245, discounted from the original $395 reference price on the official site, as a one-time purchase with no subscription or refill required. Now, the resistance tips here are reusable rather than consumable. So the company's official listing notes it's sold only directly through their website, flagging that lower price knockoffs using similar branding and imagery circulated on marketplaces like Amazon and other unofficial sites here. And it comes with a 30-day return window from delivery. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.